Here is the brand new Bugatti Chiron. Only 500 will be built, 50 every year. The starting price without taxes is 2.7 million euros. And this is the interior of the Bugatti Chiron, the most powerful car in the world. These are the language settings for this car, the Chiron. Insane numbers, 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. That's really fast. 0 to 200 km per hour in 6.5 seconds and 0 to 300 in just 13.5 seconds. The top speed is limited to 420 km per hour. And we are now in the interior of the most beautiful and most expensive car in the world. This is the mighty Bugatti Chiron. What a car! 1500 horsepower. 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.5 seconds. 0 to 200 km per hour in 6.5 seconds. 0 to 300 in just 13.5 seconds. The top speed is limited to 420 km per hour for your own safety. What a beautiful steering wheel. The carbon, the leather, the stitching, everything is the next level. What a beautiful car. Beautiful shift pedals. Lovely, lovely interior. Nice color combination with the carbon exterior and the beautiful interior color in my eyes. Now when we take a closer look, you can see the push button ignition. You have the race mode and the different modes for the city. You have the shift pedals, you have the chrome buttons for the trip computer. Up here you can see the speed limit, 500 kilometers per hour. That's so impressive. This is the mighty Bugatti Chiron. And what a car it is. Now let's take a closer look. You can see the different settings. Car settings, these are the info. Speeds, average speeds, information, engine oil, that kind of a thing. You have the radio settings. Let's mute that. Don't need that in a Chiron. You have the support settings, the navigation. This looks really, really cool. I love this car. You have the phone. Let's put it on navigation. And I want to talk a little bit about the Chiron. You can see 1500 horsepower, the fuel and the other information thereof. Beautiful dash, beautiful interior. You have a storage area. This is handmade. The stitching is spot on. Here you can turn off the navigation. You have the gear lever. This is for park. This button. Even this looks great. I love this part. This is the air conditioning, the climate control. You have the heated seats, left or right. You can turn it off with this, 3 settings. Then you have the climate control adjustment, the automatic mode if you want, and the different modes, just like that. Of course, it's a keyless entry and push button ignition. You have the automatic lights, the daytime running lights. You can fold the mirrors in, just like that. And I love this part. You have the LED lights here, but it continues up to here. Beautiful done. And you have the beautiful CHIRON logos. Everything is the best quality in this car I have ever seen. This is the next level. What a car. These are the language settings for this car, the CHIRON. You have a lap timer. You have the tire pressure system. Car settings. Let's take a closer look to this beautiful aggressive car. It has a carbon body and the new shape of the headlights are very good done by Bugatti. The LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, beautiful in my eyes. You have the special air intakes, they are bigger, the car sits lower to the ground for more downforce. Every angle, every shape is special to the CHIRON. It has the beautiful carbon ceramic brake discs needed to stop this fast car. You have the Bugatti logos on the brake calipers, of course. This is one of the sexiest cars on earth in my eyes. Beautiful design. I love the carbon fiber finish on this car. It has two very big exhausts. They suit the car perfect. You have the LED stripe and a beautiful design. This design is special to the Bugatti Chiron. It has a special diffuser to keep the car down. Every panel looks great. This is a small version of the engine. Even this looks great. Different sizes rims available. Now let's take a look at the interior and the driver's seat of the mighty Chiron. And this is the interior of the Bugatti Chiron, the most powerful car in the world. Mirror adjustments, folding mirrors, heated as well. You have the window adjustments, lock, unlock. Another storage area, again a storage area. This is also carbon, as you can see. Quality materials.